Hello everyone. So in this session I'm just going to explain how to download the fonts. So let's say I want to utilize the different fonts here. There are different types of fonts available, but whichever I need it's not here. I need 3ds font. So actually it's not available. Right? If I type Times New Roman it is there, but 3ds is not available. So for that directly go to browser. I'll type 3ds font, download. So you can directly go ahead with any of the links here. Yes, so here I'll type 3ds font which I needed and dafont.free.net. I needed 3ds regular as well as 3ds condensed. So I'll simply click on 3ds condensed, download. Okay, once you go down here you have the option to download it. So I'm done with 3ds condensed, and I'll download 3ds regular. That font also I needed. There are plenty of fonts available. You can just simply download and add it. Okay, yeah, once you're done with your downloading you can simply switch back to the folder location and extract the files. Okay, so once you extract it, just copy the font from the file 3ds. Okay, just select that regular, copy it and go to Windows C, and into Windows you have the fonts file. Just select that, just scroll down. Yeah, so you're gonna get that font and here you need to paste it. I'm gonna do the same for 3ds regular font as well. I'll go back to this and I'll simply extract even this. Yep, so now simply select that font and copy paste it into the font location. Once you're done with this, simply open PowerPoint and search it. Okay, and here if I search you won't get it because you need to restart your PowerPoint. Okay, just check here. Right, it's not available, so close this, don't save, and simply reopen it or restart the PowerPoint. Okay, so once you type it, and here in the blank I'm gonna just use a drop down 3ds and 3D condensed is available.